Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tricks to keep your digital life private and organized. Today, we're diving into how to hide text messages on iPhone without deleting them, perfect for 2025's privacy-conscious world. Whether you're safeguarding personal chats or just decluttering your screen, this method is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother hiding messages instead of deleting them? Simple. You get to keep your conversations intact for future reference without them cluttering your main inbox. We're assuming you're on iOS 18 or later, as Apple keeps rolling out enhanced privacy features. Start by opening the Messages app on your iPhone. It's the green speech bubble icon, you know the one. Step 1. Locate the conversation you want to hide. Swipe left on it in your Messages list, and tap More if it appears. This brings up additional options. Now, for the key step, select the conversation and look for the Hide Alerts option, but we're going deeper. In iOS 18, Apple introduced a Secure Folder feature. Tap the conversation, hit the info icon, that little I, and choose Move to Secure Folder. This tucks it away from your main view. If you're not seeing that, another reliable way is using the Notes app. Copy the messages you want to hide, open Notes, create a new note, paste them in, and then lock that note with your passcode or Face ID. Boom! Your texts are hidden without being deleted. Remember, always back up your iPhone first to avoid any mishaps. A few pro tips. Regularly check your hidden items to stay organized, and be cautious with third-party apps as they might compromise your security. Also, if you're dealing with sensitive info, enable two-factor authentication on your iCloud. There you have it, quick, easy, and effective. Hiding messages has never been simpler. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below on your favorite iPhone hack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.